Welcome to the Talking Market, a magical, yummy, wonderful place. Let's meet our happy, healthy
I'm a red apple, so shiny bright, crunchy and sweet, a healthy bite.
I'm a yellow banana, a tasty treat, full of goodness, so easy to eat. Eat your fruits and veggies every day. They help you grow strong to run and play.
We are purple grapes, small and round, the juiciest fruit you've ever found. Wow, they can all sing and dance.
They sure can. Go say hello. Way to go, Leo! We knew you'd see the magic of healthy eating.
Eat your colors every day. It helps you grow and laugh and play.
Spin around and dance with glee, the healthiest treats for you and me. So colorful and fresh today,